We've been traveling for 56 days, 10,000 kilometers, and we have finally made it to Alu-Cab.
Yeah!
Why Alu-Cab? Well, for me, I love to live inside of a vehicle, and these systems are incredible. And also, when you've traveled Africa, like we just have, you realize what it takes to build something to hold up to the extreme environments here. Dust, rain, corrugations of extremely rough roads, and Alu-Cab holds up to all of it, and that's why I pick Alu-Cab.